Hi kids! Today we are going to learn about B letter words. B sounds Let's start. B is for vegetable. V is for vulture. V is for violin. V is for vest. V is for van. V is for village. V is for violet. V is for vase. V is for volcano. V is for volleyball. V is for vacuum cleaner. V is for vehicles. V is for video. V is for vicuna. V is for vampire. V is for vote. V is for volume. V is for viper. V is for virus. V is for vowels. V is for velociraptor. V is for value. V is for wet. V is for vomit. V is for Veronica. V is for vaccination. V is for victory. V is for velvet. V is for vinegar. V is for Venus. V is for vein. V is for villa. V is for veil. V is for Valentine. V is for verbena.